A screw clamp hose repair is a quick and easy way to repair a damaged hose instead of replacing it. Repairs are available for the male end, middle, and female end of the hose. The male end is threaded on the outside. The female end is threaded on the inside. Also, make sure you are using the same size hose repair as the size of your hose. The hose size is determined by the inside diameter. To fix a damaged hose with a plastic hose repair, you will need a pair of sturdy sharp scissors and an appropriate screwdriver. Use the scissors to carefully cut away the damaged section of the hose. Be certain to make a clean, straight cut without jagged edges. Place the clamp loosely over the hose. Then press the repair into the hose end. Make sure to press the repair in as far as it will go. Place the two clamp pieces around the base of the repair. Then use the screwdriver to tighten the clamp into place snugly around the base of the repair. That's all there is to it. The repair is now complete and your hose is ready for the garden again. You can follow the same steps to repair the female end or mid-hose damage.